We are here in West St. Paul at their pool with Mike Ramirez. Great day to be outside swimming.
It's absolutely gorgeous out. Perfect day. Come on out for sure. Yeah, absolutely.
So you've had some changes here. Let us know what those are.
Yeah, so we had phase one completed right before our open, which is the slide right here is got the structure repainted to be kind of more city colored branding, and redid the shell and all of the pool, the slide and everything. So now people can actually slide down it and have a great time. Yeah, so people have a great time, and it's very exciting. We're super excited to have phase one done, and yeah, and now we're open for the summer. It's going to be great. You know, wspmn.gov, find our hours, because we'll be here all summer, weekends, weekdays.
Nice.
Yeah, so we'll be here, and then come the fall, we're gonna get to work on renovating this thing.
Okay, what are you gonna do? What are the changes?
Yeah, so phase two, it's gonna entitle actually coming through and resurfacing and getting our shells new in both the small pool and the big pool.
Okay.
They're original.
What are the shells? The underneath?
So yeah, the actual vessel itself for the pool beds and everything that you walk on every day when you're in the pool. They're original. So it's time to get new love and all of those things. Yeah. So very excited about that. Kind of redid the gutters a little bit so they work a little bit more efficiently. In our splash pool over here, we're actually going to take out that large feature right at the beginning of it. It's a little bit intimidating for kids because it's kind of big and daunting. So we're actually going to do some more low profile. We're going to have like a slide for tots, another smaller little waterfall thing, and some little bubblers.
Oh, great.
Just to be a lot more friendly and, you know, kind of inclusively interactive.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know, what's nice about this is there is something for every age.
Absolutely.
And especially when you're adding that, you know, so it's really approachable. A family could come with all different age kids and they'd all have fun.
Absolutely, and that comes with kids come snacks. So that's with our concession stand, where actually that's going to be we're going to brighten that up. We're going to bring that wall down from that transition to make it a little bit more low profile, so it's more inviting. Replace the desks and stuff to make it way more functional for our staff, and a lot more inviting for people to come in and check in and buy snacks. And then actually on this back lawn, that's going away. We're actually extending the back out a little bit, and we're going to put a cool like turf area out there with a little berm that people can lean against. It'll expand the seating, which is great.
Yeah.
And then I know these umbrellas that are ancient and they're old. They're going away, and we're going to replace them with some really brand new, great ones. Try to hit we're going to work on our city colors. You know, to brand it out really nicely.
Yeah. Shade is important.
Shade is super important.
Like this.
Yeah, for sure. And that's like that little area too. We're going to have a shade structure. Just again, people want to beat the heat while they're out here enjoying the pool.
Yeah. Well, you're doing quite a lot of improvements. It's going to be a whole new place.
It's going to be huge, yeah. And I mean, again, we're going to actually, some lap lines are going to come here at the pool a little bit too. It will be 80 yards, so it won't be like standard size of the 75 yards. But for leisure swimming, for people, we're hoping to expand a lap program for people to come and exercise in the morning. And we'll kind of get into those logistics as we get a little bit closer down the road. But it's great. And then the boring stuff is our back mechanical room, but that's actually what keeps this thing going for everybody. We're getting brand new mechanical equipment to keep up with the age, make it a lot safer for our staff, and just, again, more enjoyable for the community.
Well, how exciting. We're going to have to come back and check it out when this is all done and see the upgrades. Well, take a look at their website if you want to get more updates and information on hours and that type of thing. We're going to take a look now at these local happenings for West St. Paul. Join your friends for this summer for Tour Direct, the traveling program that brings recreation to local neighborhood parks. Staff will set up activities and equipment for youth to enjoy, including games, sports, crafts, and more. The program is held on Tuesdays from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. for kids ages 6 to 12, and it's free with no registration required. Tour Direct is offered in partnership with Mendota Heights Park and Rec, Tri-District Community Ed, and Dakota County Parks. Visit wspmn.gov/rec for the full schedule. Join your friends at Harmon Park for fascinating Fridays throughout the summer with action-packed all-day activities promoting friendships, good sportsmanship, and positive peer interactions. Weekly sessions have fun themes like All-Star Athletes, Beach Day, Fairy Tale Fun, Going Green, Lost in Space, Science Explorers, Superhero Academy, and Young Artists. Sessions are held on Fridays from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., June 26th through August 7th. Register online at wspmn.gov/rec. Beanbags, cornhole, bago, whatever you call the game, join the Adult Beanbag League this summer for weekly fun at the West St. Paul Sports Complex. League play consists of 5 weeks of play, July 16th through August 20th. The league is co-ed and rostered players must be 21 plus. Team captains should register online at wspmn.gov/rec. Kids ages 6 to 10 wind down your summer with Camp Marthaler, August 24th to the 26th at Marthaler Park. Hike, climb, and build your way into nature-based activities, games, and exciting challenges to send summer off in a big way. Camp is led by West St. Paul's natural resource specialist and recreation staff. The cost is $65 per camper. Register at wspmn.gov/rec. For more information on West St. Paul Parks and Rec programs and facilities, visit wspmn.gov or call 651-552-4150.